Got a really fast video for you today. I've got a socket set that I recommend DIYers or people get as like a second socket set that I really like, and I just kind of wanted to show it. So here it is. All right, the name brand is EP Auto. Name brand's EP Auto, and this is a 3/8 drive, and it's got 45 pieces total. But what I really like about this set is it's nice and compact. It all fits in this kit. It's got from an 8mm all the way up to a 19. And it's got the same thing, deep well and short, which is awesome. It comes with a universal, it comes with 2 extensions, and it's got a ratchet. And the ratchet actually feels pretty good. It's got pretty fine teeth, and it feels good in your hand. It's smooth bottom, whatever. So, and then it's got this, standard sizes too, from 5/16 up to 3/4. And, mostly what you're going to be using is, the 1/2 inch, whatever, 5/8. But regardless, the reason I really like this set is there's a couple reasons. One, it's all 3/8 drive, so you don't have to switch your ratchet back and forth, which is nice. It goes from 8mm, which is going to get like your worm clamps and the small stuff you might do around your house, all the way up to 19. So it's going to be able to take off like lug nuts from your your tractor or your zero turns, those kinds of things. It's not going to do car lug nuts, but it's going to do all your brake job. It's going to do most of your small engine work, air filter changes, those kinds of things without having to go get other sockets. So this, in my opinion, is a great second socket set to have in your house. I actually own this set 2 times. I actually own a version that I keep at a camper that we have, and I actually have a set that I keep in my extra garage, and then I have a big set of Craftsman ones for everything else. So yeah, I'm not saying you have to buy the set, and it probably won't be sufficient for an overall socket set for everything that you need to do, but it's really, really good for just, you're going out, you're changing some spark plugs, you're changing the oil, or you're whatever, taking the exhaust off your lawnmower or something small like that. It's going to cover almost all of that with the deep well and the short sockets. It's a really good set. I really like it, and I use it a bunch. If you want to grab the set, I'll put a link down in the description, and you can see the one that I got. They have a couple different versions, but this is the one that I like. They have bigger versions with more pieces, but this is just a nice, only 3/8 drive, all the way from 8mm all the way up to 19mm. It works for 95% of what I do. I grab this set.